Never mix chia seeds with these 5 foods. It's not just a bad combination, it could mess with your digestion, your heart, your blood sugar, and even lead to serious blockages in your gut. And here's the worst part. Most people think they're eating healthy when they do it. Chia seeds are everywhere, in smoothies, salads, puddings, and even protein bars. They're called a superfood, right? But what no one tells you is this. There are certain foods that should never be eaten with chia seeds, because when these combinations go wrong, they can lead to gas, bloating, nutrient blockages, or worse. In this video, we're breaking down the 5 foods you should never eat with chia seeds, and what to do instead so you can keep reaping the benefits without harming your body. Chia seeds can be a powerhouse of nutrition, packed with fiber, omega-3s, protein, and antioxidants. But they're also hydrophilic, meaning they absorb water, a lot of it, up to 12 times their weight. That's not a bad thing when you prepare them right, but when mixed with the wrong types of food or eaten dry, they can become a digestive nightmare. And here's the kicker. Most people don't even realize it. They combine chia seeds with healthy ingredients, and then wonder why they feel bloated, constipated, or have random stomach pains hours later. So what are these 5 foods? And why do they clash so badly with chia? Before we dive in, if you care about your health and want honest, no-fluff tips like this, hit that subscribe button and tap the bell. That way, you'll always stay one step ahead when it comes to holistic wellness. 1. Chia seeds plus dairy, especially milk and yogurt. You probably saw this combo on Instagram. Chia seed puddings with milk or yogurt. Looks pretty. Sounds healthy, but it's a sneaky gut wrecker. Here's why. Chia seeds are high in insoluble fiber, and dairy, especially cow's milk, contains casein protein and lactose, both of which are hard to digest for many people. Now, when you combine both, you get a thick, mucilaginous gel in your gut that slows digestion, leading to bloating, gas, cramps, and in some cases, constipation. For people who are lactose intolerant, this combo can be a disaster. Better alternative? Use almond milk, oat milk, or coconut milk. They're easier on the gut and don't cause the same coagulation in your system. Most people default to cow's milk because it's familiar, but even a splash of it in your morning chia bowl can cause mucus buildup and cramps. Try coconut milk with a pinch of cinnamon. It blends better and helps reduce inflammation. 2. Chia seeds plus raw spinach or kale. Oxalate overload. Green smoothies are great, but dumping a bunch of raw spinach or kale in a blender with chia seeds? That's where things go wrong. These leafy greens are high in oxalates, compounds that can bind with calcium and form kidney stones in susceptible people. Chia seeds are rich in calcium and magnesium. So guess what happens when you mix high oxalate veggies with chia? You block the absorption of minerals and increase the risk of forming crystals in your kidneys. Pro tip? Steam your greens before blending. Light cooking reduces oxalates and makes the minerals more bioavailable. And keep the chia seeds soaked separately. Then mix them in once everything's cool. And here's something most people miss. Pairing spinach and chia is like swallowing a mineral magnet. You're actually losing calcium instead of absorbing it. That's why many nutritionists recommend rotating in steamed zucchini or romaine instead. 3. Chia seeds plus high-fat fried foods. Here's where people really mess up without realizing it. Let's say you eat a burger with fries or something oily and think, I'll sprinkle chia seeds on my salad to be healthy. Bad move. Why? Because chia seeds already contain fats. Good fats like omega-3s. But when you mix them with trans fats or heavily fried foods, you're creating a chemical imbalance. These bad fats oxidize the delicate omega-3s in chia, making them pro-inflammatory instead of anti-inflammatory. Translation: instead of reducing inflammation, your healthy chia seeds just added fuel to the fire. What to do instead? Avoid pairing chia with any fried, greasy, or fast food. If you're going to eat chia, keep the rest of your meal clean and light. Think fruits, veggies, or whole grains. A chia smoothie paired with fried chicken. That's like drinking vitamins with a milkshake. One cancels the other out. Keep chia meals simple. Think avocado toast or quinoa bowls. 4. Chia seeds plus dry oats, unsoaked. Now, this one might shock a few breakfast lovers. A lot of people throw dry oats and dry chia seeds together into yogurt or milk, thinking they'll soften overnight. But what if they don't? You end up eating 2 ingredients that suck up all the moisture in your gut. That means stomach cramps, constipation, and, in severe cases, a gastrointestinal blockage. This is especially dangerous if you're dehydrated, which many people are in the morning. Here's a real example. In one case study, a man ate a spoonful of dry chia seeds and chased it with water. The seeds expanded in his throat and caused an esophageal blockage that sent him to the ER. Avoid this by always pre-soaking both your oats and chia seeds, ideally overnight in a 1:10 water ratio. Let them expand before they go in your body, not after. Overnight oats can work beautifully, but only if the chia seeds have had time to soften. Always stir well and let the mixture sit for at least 6 to 8 hours. Otherwise, you're basically eating sponges. 5. Chia seeds plus certain medications, especially blood thinners. This one's not a food, but it's just as dangerous. Chia seeds are a natural blood thinner due to their high omega-3 content. If you're already taking medication like warfarin, aspirin, or other anticoagulants, chia can intensify the effect, increasing your risk of bruising or internal bleeding. They can also interfere with blood pressure medications, lowering it too much. If you're on any kind of prescription drug, always ask your doctor before adding chia seeds to your diet. Especially for seniors, chia seeds can seem like a safe superfood, but even good things can tip the scale. If you're managing heart or blood pressure conditions, check in with your doctor before loading up on omega-3s. Bonus tip: never eat chia seeds completely dry. This deserves its own warning. A lot of people try to chew chia seeds like nuts, tossing them dry into trail mix or directly into their mouths. But chia seeds expand rapidly, and if you don't drink enough water alongside them, they can swell mid-digestion, forming a gel plug in your gut or even your throat. One ER doctor said it's like trying to swallow expanding cement. Always soak chia seeds in water, almond milk, or juice for at least 10 to 15 minutes before consuming, especially if you're not eating them with other moist foods. Health isn't just about what you add, it's also about knowing what not to mix. Even superfoods can backfire when the combinations are wrong. Here's the truth: chia seeds aren't dangerous until you use them wrong. That's what health influencers won't say out loud because chia sells. But your gut, your kidneys, and your heart don't care about hype. They respond to balance. And now, you've got the knowledge that most people scrolling health reels will never get. You're not just eating healthier, you're eating smarter. And this is the part most health influencers skip over, because they're too busy telling you to add chia to everything. But now, you know better. Here's your new chia cheat sheet. Always soak chia seeds before eating. Never mix with raw, oxalate-rich veggies. Avoid combining with dairy or dry oats. Skip the chia if your meal is heavy in fried fats. Be extra cautious if you're on blood thinners or meds. Let's recap real quick. Chia seeds can be amazing for your heart, brain, digestion, and even weight loss. But the benefits only show up when you use them correctly. Mixing them with the wrong foods can cancel out their goodness, or worse, lead to uncomfortable or dangerous side effects. So next time you reach for that Instagram smoothie or chia pudding, remember, it's not just about what you eat, it's about what you mix it with. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications, because we share honest, practical, holistic health tips like this every week.